There are basically 5 levels of using Claude, and most people are stuck on level 1 or 2 without realizing there's a completely different way to work with it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which level you're on and what the jump to the next one actually looks like. Level 5 is where it stops feeling like a chatbot and starts feeling like an employee. Level 1. The search engine user. Level 1 is where almost everyone starts. You open a new chat, ask one question, copy the answer, close the tab. Treat it exactly like Google, just with better grammar. Nothing wrong with this, it's genuinely useful, but it means you're getting maybe 10% of what it can actually do for you. You're not having a conversation, you're doing a single lookup and leaving. Level 2, the Conversational Collaborator. Level 2 is the first real upgrade. You stay in one thread and actually iterate. Make that shorter. Too formal, try again. Combine the first and third option. Here's the catch almost nobody notices at this stage. Every new chat starts from zero. It doesn't remember your job, your writing style, or the conversation from yesterday. Unless you set that up yourself. Most people hit this wall and just assume that's a permanent limitation. It's not. Level 3. The Context Setter. Level 3 is where you fix that. You set up projects, basically a dedicated workspace with its own instructions and files, plus custom instructions and memory, so Claude already knows your role, your tone, and what you care about before you type a word. This is the point where it stops feeling like a stranger every conversation. If you only take one thing from this video, even 5 minutes setting up custom instructions will save you more time than any clever prompt trick. Level 4. The Workflow Delegator. This is the biggest jump on the list. Instead of asking single questions, you hand off entire outcomes. Clean up this spreadsheet and flag anything that looks wrong. Research this topic and draft me a doc. Check my email and calendar and tell me what actually needs my attention today. This is where artifacts come in. Claude can build you a real working document, spreadsheet, or mini-app instead of just describing one in text. Connect it to Gmail, Drive, or your calendar, and it can pull real information instead of you copy-pasting context in every time. This is the level where Claude stops just talking and starts actually doing the work. Level 5. The Automator. Level 5 is the one that feels like science fiction the first time you see it. Things that run without you being there to ask. Scheduled tasks that happen automatically. Tools like Claude Code or Claude Cowork that take a job. Fix this bug. Prep my morning brief. Research and compile this report. And carry it through multiple steps on their own. Start to finish while you do something else. In a team setting, tools like Claude Tag mean anyone can just tag it into a Slack thread and delegate work directly. No chat window needed. And yes, some people take this even further and build Claude into their own apps and tools using the API. You don't need to be a developer to benefit from level 5, but that's the ceiling if you want to go there. This is the level where the relationship flips. You're not asking questions anymore. You're reviewing work. Most people never make it past level 2, not because the higher levels are hard, but because nobody tells them these exist. Now you know all 5. Drop a comment with the level you're actually on right now. I read all of them. If this helped, subscribe. I post one practical AI breakdown like this every week. See you in the next one.